In this video, we're going to be talking about KYC rejection, how to fix it, and all the ways you have probably gotten rejected. So there are a couple of main reasons that you could be facing this problem. The first thing being your photo and your image quality. So if your image quality is blurry, low light, and corners are not visible, then you will definitely face that problem. It should not look something like this, and it should look something like that. Now, the second thing it could be is glare and flash. So if you're taking photos and there's glare and flash on your verification, that is definitely going to go ahead and cause your problem. The other thing you want to do is that the ID name is definitely should match the ID name should definitely match the typed name, which is going to go ahead and help you out. If that is not the case, you need to also have a document date that is not past your validity date. So simply go ahead and check that as well. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.